Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have Capcut open and your assets imported. Now act. Select the overlay clip on track 2 so you can change how it combines with the base layer. Once selected, open the Properties panel on the right and locate Blending Mode. You do this because blending affects pixel math, how highlights, midtones, and shadows mix, so selecting the right mode matters. Make sure visibility toggles are set, and snapping is off if you need precise alignment before adjusting blend settings. You now pick a blending mode and refine it. Try screen to brighten, multiply to darken, or overlay for contrast. Test each because they react differently to color and luminance. Once you choose a mode, lower opacity to blend gradually, set around 0. 5 or 50% for subtle results. If only part of the frame needs blending, duplicate the overlay, add a mask, and feather edges to integrate cleanly. Make sure to preview at 100% playback quality so you see the true effect on pixels. You finish by confirming the composite and exporting. Play the timeline from start to end, render the segment if playback stutters, then export using the codec and resolution you need. Save your project and an incremental backup so you can revert if needed. If the blend looks off, colors shift, banding, or unexpected contrast, make sure color profiles match, flatten problematic layers, or temporarily disable GPU acceleration to isolate the issue. Those steps usually resolve rendering discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.